Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm ASKnowlin, and here's my pop cue for today. Along with success comes a reputation for wisdom, and that's by Euripides. Alright, now let's begin. Alright, today you want to talk about inequalities, and more importantly, you want to know what an inequality is. The definition of inequality is a statement that two quantities are not equal. Now, the first way we can represent two things not being equal is by using this symbol. And the meaning of this symbol is less than or is fewer than. Now, an example of this would be and the translation for this would read, you would just say any number less than 3. And we also want to discuss what a solution would be, what some possible solutions would be for this inequality. And simply it'll be any number less than 3. So the first number less than 3 that I'm thinking of is 2. Okay. Then you could either say 0. Now some negative integers that we could discuss would be -1, -5, so forth. Anything as long as it is a number that is less than 3. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Another symbol that we can use to represent two things not being equal is this symbol here. Okay. And this symbol means is greater than or is more than. Okay. Now an example of this would be A is more than -4. Okay. Translation: any number greater than -4. Alright, now the solution for this would be any number that is greater than -4. So immediately I'm thinking -3 and 0, then even a +2, a 4, okay, and so forth. Alright, let's take a look at our next symbol. Okay, the next symbol that we can use is this one, and this is similar to the first one, except now we have this line here, and this one means is less than or equal to. Okay, the or equal to part comes from this line right here. Alright, you can also say is at most, okay, is at most is the same thing as saying it's less than or equal to. Or you can say is no more than, and all three of those meanings can be used to describe this symbol right here. Alright, now an example of this would be y is less than or equal to 9. Translation: any number less than or equal to 9. Okay. A solution for this one would be, well, off the back, I'm already thinking that it would have to be, it has to be 9. Okay, 9 can be worked because it says equal to. Alright, and now I'm looking for less than 9. Well, the first number is 8. Then we can jump to about a 4. Give me a negative number, a 3, and one more. Alright, so there we go. Y can be any one of those numbers. Alright, here's the next one. And the last symbol that we're going to talk about today is going to be this symbol here. And we know, most of us already know, that this means is greater than or equal to. Another one is at least. And the last one is no less than. Okay, all of those mean this right here, which means is greater than or equal to. Okay, alright, an example of this one could be b is greater than or equal to negative 2. Okay, translation: any number greater than or equal to negative 2. And some good solutions for this one would be, of course, negative 2. And the first number that I can think of that is bigger than negative 2. And now even 0, 4, 6. Okay. Any one of these numbers or anything bigger than 6 and definitely greater than or equal to negative 2 would fall into this solution set. Alright, that's it for our inequalities today. You can let me know how I did. Email me at ASKnowlin @gmail.com. Okay, and I will see y'all later. Alright, love y'all. Bye.